Hello everybody! How's everyone doing? Anyways, so as you can see I've switched up my build a bit. And yeah, basically I've got some new stuff up my sleeve. I've got well, the shotgun crossbow, as I like to call it. Oh, just look at this. Oh yeah, looks nice, doesn't it? Anyways, so basically I've got bleed bolts and rot bone bolts. So yeah. And yeah, basically that's the new addition to my build. And oh, also I've got two new Sword of Knights, so that's nice as well. And apparently there's a really cool combo for this. Here, so basically what you would do here is do the crouch attack, right? Power stance, and then you follow it up with this and directly with this. Apparently, you stun them first, then you do this, and then when that connects, this becomes a true combo. So that's nice as well, you know? And yeah, basically that's it. Anyways, really hope you enjoy the invasions. Oh no, this is dead end. No! Okay! These guys are really aggressive. Nice. It's actually easier for me to track the guy now, so that's good. Let's go. I love this. I love this so much. One guy's down. Another guy's down. Oh, he's resummoning. There we go. Goodbye. Oh man, love this shotgun. So much fun. I've gotten some new tools and everything, so it's gonna be way more fun now. GG's. GG's. Oh! Okay. Well, that's one done. So, yeah. I am very powerful. Wow! Yeah, no, this is very busted. Nice! Wow, okay. At least they got the grace. Hello. Right. Where are we? Oh. Oh, okay. Hoo-hoo. It's gonna get interesting. Oh. Okay. Oh, Deathbird. Okay. Right. Okay, so yeah, no, this is definitely gonna be. Oh, I could have dropped it like a pot. Oh, that would have been perfect. Oh well. Right now. Yeah, I've got 6 pots, so that was perfect. Let me get it ready. Yeah, okay. We just need to get one of the guys off. Down. Oh no, he's already dead. Oh! Either way, host still died, so yeah. Nice. Alright. What is this? Oh! Oh, okay. They're up there. Oh yeah, they're definitely up there. One guy's dead. This guy's too. Goodbye. Oh, this is better. Yeah, specimen storehouse. What did I just? Oh, okay. Okay, now I'm spamming a bit, you know? Right, let's see, so... let's just throw this. Oh, let's go. Oh, it does tons of damage. Let's get this over with. Oh, wait, no, he's disconnecting. Okay. Nice. Nice, very nice. I just love these. They're really fun to mess around with.